Go and big up all the artists them. The artists them they are road, the one them are dead and gone, and the one them are there prison. Because no care who don't like me now. All of us are poor workers.
Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, and now we are trained.
Welcome back, Unstoppable family. So, many persons out there may have it to say, yo, Beenie Man no do a lot of things for dancehall. Some may even talk, say, yo, Beenie Man no boss no artist. Well, whether that is true or not, I beg to differ upon the point when you say Beenie no do nothing for dancehall. And some of the things that Beenie Man do actually way more important than even bossing artists, in my opinions. Because Beenie Man does a lot of things in the background that a lot of us don't even know about. Because the artist is not one who posts all of the good deeds to social media. Now this one I'm going to talk about, most bloggers wouldn't even bring it forward to you because at the end of the day it don't have enough controversy and mix up surrounding it. But you don't know Unstoppable already. If I'm going to bring on one side, I'm going to bring on the next side too. See? Now, what I'm going to talk about, Beenie Man, Moses Davis, the doctor, gave a scholarship to a US student who needed it. Let's get to the story. When dancehall entertainer Moses Beenie Man Davis walked onto the Mona campus of the University of the West Indies for the launch of the CB Group UWI 5K on Wednesday, some of his fans could not help but try to get his attention. But the entertainer was there on a different mission. Beenie Man was there to take over the microphone, not for one of his normal sizzling performances, but to deliver a scholarship to a second-year UWI culture and entertainment student, Renae Edwards. When asked how she felt about receiving the scholarship, Edwards blurted out in Jamaican, "My glad bag did a bust." She also said she was constantly worried about her mother being stressed out over school fees, and at one point she started to feel like trying with school was pointless. She said she is happy that her mother is now relieved of the financial load. Now thanks to Beenie Man, our mother is relieved of the financial burden. Now let's take a look at what actually happened at the UWI campus when Beenie Man took the stage. Yo people, but I don't know the thing, the doctor energy always turn up.
Me tell them to send me wake early. Come on, the run hungry. Breakfast nobody never give to me. Rain first then, sorry for me. You need some fish and some nice dumpling? Or when you say it's a cool and tea? There comes Island Grill with the chicken and thing. Beenie Man rocking to the ring. Everybody wave on the one to the king. Let's go with that Island Grill. Don't go if you see the king. I'm okay. You got it. Dance on the king. Well, I'll tell you what.
Listen to what I'm saying to you. Go on, big up Blue. But listen, he is the consummate professional and performer. He is an international superstar, Grammy Award winner. None of them overseas artists, no have nothing on the dark. I want to pick him up the real way. But let me tell you this, and every artist at Team Caliber, when I get up all time dead, come perform for free. Right there at UWI for we. Okay? And not only did he do that, I want now turn out the music, the Blue, come on and hear my voice loud and clear, come. I don't want no disturbance and no interference. Not only did he perform this morning, after having shows last night, but he gave a student a scholarship as well. Entertainment and cultural management, Renae Edwards is the recipient of the Moses Beenie Man Davis Scholarship. And I want, listen to me, you have a lot of artists that talk about it, but they're not about it. What me say? Them talk about it, but they're not about it. You can know the character of a man when he can help somebody when he not benefit from it to say that. You understand? Come here, man, a Beenie Man have him things. Him have him all heap of things. And only when you drive certain BMW can get a tracksuit that not sell a store. It don't sell in the shop. And and the shoes to match. So, when you see a man like that, they get up all time nice clean house, all time nice clean bed, left him baby, left him girlfriend, and come perform and give a scholarship. We're grateful for honor that and give her a big round of applause. I want everybody to take out their phone and make sure this reach by Instagram. Come and notice, you know, whether nothing negative or not bad, everybody run with it. Whether nothing negative or bad, everybody, them mama, them papa, them granny, everybody run with it. And we need to change that culture. So when positive things happen, we also need to run with it. Because we need to show that there are Jamaicans who are doing well and who are promoting education, promoting love and unity. And Beenie Man is one such. So again, a round of applause for the Dr. Beenie Man.
Miss Kitty, you're spectacular, so spectacular. Some got too popular, so then I found spectacular. Spectacular, so spectacular. Everybody work hard for everything when I'm up, I'm a son of a son. We don't wait for barrel and hands up. Remember this. Well, I've never about
chain now we never pick a pocket. Never see how the man bag and try grab it. Everything we love, we know we work hard for it.
Why don't you hear that bad mind me? Oh, every day them see me out and run me a fast. So I don't wanna lick and so me have me one a glass. Girl, I'm sexy and because them shut up. When I like Miss Kitty, tell a boy to shut up. Them a watch everything and me aware and I see the hard work for me to feel it career. Them a wonder, everybody want a bad man, but me see the other. Come on, there. Yeah, feel like you want to come and say, me mind up. Me think clean, I will never go to see you. Me say me heart up. Me heart. Hush.
Now the partner right here, so the doctor make sure if you big up some artists in the business. Who alive, who dead, who lock up, who free, everybody, the doctor make sure you big them up. You understand what I say? Because Beenie Man not carrying no grudge, Beenie Man not hold no grudge, so he make sure you say yo, on certain performance, he make sure you big up some artists in the business. See, now we know say some people are going to look upon this as a negative instead of a positive, but anyway, whichever way you don't want to look upon it, everybody entitled to them own opinion. See? So watch out the doctor big up everybody in the industry because after all, we are all co-workers. Beenie Man words, not mine.
Go and big up all the artists them. The artists them they are road, the one them are dead and gone, and the one them are there prison. Because no care who don't like me, no. All of us are co-workers. You are a co-worker there. All of them don't like me, we still do the same job. Now so you go. Everybody will love each other and soon we even want so. Remember say, no man is an island. The only man who is an island to care man. Remember, say each one help one. Say it no make sense your bad mind and next man. To the ganga Benz already and him have a next one. And I'm nothing that. If you don't have one, your friend get a youth already know him get a next one. And I'm nothing that. If you don't get one, go look at girl and start build a foundation. Bad mind for them before the next generation. Let me say you dance all up for your radio station. If you know bad mind, where for the one? Me I love you all. Good morning.
That's it there. Honestly, what I talk about Beenie Man doing thing as usual. Yes, what I say. And the man, yo, one thing me have to point out. The man go out and him do him thing for free, as on the hear Miss Kitty say. Yes, what I say. Not much artists would have do that. Some of them artists, they would have rather lay down in them bed and wrap up with them girl before them go out, they go do a good deed. Yes, what I say. So we have to say big up to the Dr. Beenie Man. Yeah, the man say him not even eat breakfast, him just forward out and go do something good. You understand? Because at the end of the day, that's the Beenie Man where enough of it don't even know about because the man not publicized. I mean, I have to big up to Miss Kitty, set speed, always I do her thing. Yes, I say entertaining and vibrant and always know how to get a crowd moving. You understand? Watch on the man people, you don't know so this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment and definitely don't forget to subscribe. Talk to me down in the comment section because me love to interact with Unina. As long as one of them make sense, me definitely I got answer. Now but I try no foolishness though because me ignore them things. You see? Yeah. Watch on the man. Me done with this. I got left for now. Until the next video drop. Me we see you in another one. The zine. It's unstoppable. No matter what. Don't let nobody stop you. I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable.
unstoppable.